Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. The birthday party. Last year, I celebrated my birthday exactly the way I wanted to. My mom helped me to make a list of my friends and invitation cards. Next day, she took me to the market and we bought balloons, streamers, and caps, etc., to decorate the home. We ordered the cake and returned home. We hung streamers and the balloons. We arranged the caps. My father gave me a tablet and helped us in playing some games. Mom made delicious foods for my friends. After the snacks, father poked all the balloons filled with sweets. So there were showers of chocolates and lollipops. We clicked a lot of photos also. It was really a wonderful party. I will never forget it.